Welcome to YouTuber Live. I have a hoverboard right here. My brother's in this room, right? Yeah, I did a lot of videos. I got a lot of subscribers. I didn't pay to win. Look at the shot. Yeah, look at this. I didn't spend anything. Look. Look, gyms. Look. They didn't say owned. So I got my hoverboard, but it's sick, bro. You will get faster than running. Because when I don't quit, it's so slow with running. Alright, so let's go make a vid, guys. Or you want to see my brother go outside? Alright, so I'm gonna go in my room. And this is my room. Alright, there's a bacon hair right there. Look at this bacon hair. This bacon hair right here. This right. There. Alright, so let's go make a video right now. I'm already bored making. So everybody likes it except it's not Bolt Builder. And then just do this until the end without the payload power. Alright, got this. This one too. I think using the computer would be better, guys.
Sure, computer is so hard.
Yeah, you could tap it faster. So I'm gonna go sleep with my Lambo bed. Yeah, I'm hungry too. So let's go wake up. The happy thing is useless. You're just playing this game, but mom had.
What's this wood?
I like this. And take out this. This is your free. Alright, so I'm done with my favorite playing. Let's go. Look, just 2 shots. And then I need to eat the eggs and bike. I just eat apple for healthy. No. Let's go outside and buy some stuff with using my cash. I'm gonna go faster. I'm here already, and what the heck? So what I could buy here? I have only 20 million. Bro, can I buy one? I need to buy the. Okay, now 8 million left. Now what about this thing right here? I'm gonna get the. What is this mouse? Keyboard. I bought the 1 million one. Alright, let's go. Whoa, how am I gonna turn this hoverboard, bro? Alright, let's go back home. There we go. Alright, I gotta go fast. We're so fast,
You
guys.
got this one.
Yeah, I got the rare. Yes, easiest to get. Look at my computer and my thing. Now let's record to get more subscribers. Yeah, the Gito's my favorite YouTuber, but pay to win. But I still like the Gito videos, right? Yeah, truly good. The games when the Gito plays, I will play it because it's so much fun, guys.
Yeah, the Geo always play the games. Are we outside?
No, I'm in the room. Are you outside? Yeah, just wait for me there and then show my brother. Alright, go. Where are you?
Chicken a little boy.
I saw you. Hi. Alright, I'm just. Why you're better than me, the subscribers? Bro, I have the hoverboard. It's so rare. This is where you get it.
I know.
Yeah, this is when a beginning. You start with the beginning right here, look like and then I got my hoverboard, so just go here. I need 500 gems for this. I got the rare one, 10%. 100 million
100
subscribers.
Yes, now you get the 100 million play button.
Lucky. Now I'm gonna.
I don't know.
Guys, I remember somebody said I just did a glitch, and let's try it out. Is it try to make up there with the hoverboard, or I need to pick speed? They said like here in the very last. Just a go. All right, 3, 2, 1, jump.
I need
Ooh, there we go. I did it, guys. Now jump like here. No, not good, but they know how to do this. And I could float longer. Look at this. I did some glitches, right? Yeah, this is my friend said to me to try to do this trick. And then I think it's useless, bro. I can't get to this plane right there. But luckily I could go inside to this plane couch. So I'm gonna end the video in later. I know somebody in the comment they say they call me a worst YouTuber, bro. I want to say I want to be a perfect YouTuber in real life. So let's go to here. Guys, make sure I want to get 100,000 subscribers or 10K subscribers in real life. Please, thank you. And star code LV5, you guys buy Robux. Alright, gonna still on talking for some videos. So are you still recording the video?
How many subscribers you have?
So little, bro. Almost to 100K. I want to use the computer for my video life. And let's see how my fans, the comments down. I think the comments will think. I'm still a kid and I'm making videos.
Oh, look at this. I got the 100 million.
Yeah, I want to get 100 million. Look, I got 92.4 million. Without the beta.
Why are you not in the leaderboard?
Huh? I'm in the leaderboard.
But why not?
You're very down in the leaderboard.
Yes?
No, yeah.
Why?
Alright, one more video, guys. A start all over the murder 2. I want to say murder mystery. I'm gonna be sleepy. Very sus. Yeah, I like Among Us. Oh, this look like this murder mystery to these backgrounds. And then alright, I think it's a bad video, bro. Ending's 91% chance. So let's eat the food and let's eat the eggs and bacon. I purchased salad. I see the eggs and bacon, bro. Alright, there you go. At the eggs and bacon. Now get some play style. I will get 100 million subscribers already. And look at this video mod. I'm playing the video game. Hoo-hoo, now I need to sleep. What the heck? 99.3 million subscribers? Oh my god. Alright, so when I finish sleeping, our last video, so we will get the 100K subscribers. No, let's go use my favorite is a cute pet. My favorite video in the entire. Let's go see what happens if I don't. Alright. You see, easy. My brother's outside in the heat. This looks like Pet Simulator X. And this dog right here looks like one damaged dog. Eat fat, eats, and then I don't know what they're saying. So, adopt kid is so hard to get. Now I think it's done. Just need 100. I just need some subscribers, and then it's over. And we play a glitch of hoverboard. I don't use the robot attacking. Useless. What? Get out of my seat. I'll leave this. Girl, it sucks. This girl's in my room for what? Sometimes they will do a glitch in the room. Yay! I did it. Now I'm gonna place it first.
Can you go on games with me?
Oh, fine. I'm gonna put the 100 million subscriber first.
I'm playing little games.
Okay, the rewards. Play button. And the 100 million subscribers, guys. Are you ready? Go. The 100 million
Play Sword Fight
subscribers.
Simulator.
Yeah, listen. This is the video of 100 million subscribers, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and you take care.
No, not yet. We're gonna make another video from Silver Simulator.
Yeah.
I mean, the sword. We can make Sword Fight Simulator. Go leave and join us.
Alright, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next one. Goodbye. Woo! With my hoverboard. It's so fun. Bye.